Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of May 8th, 2020. Here are some upcoming events. Next week is Virtual Spirit Week. On the elementary campus, Monday is Pajama Day, Tuesday is University or Jersey Day, Wednesday is Disney Character Day, Thursday is Crazy Hat Day, Friday is Crazy Hair or Makeup Day. Please have fun dressing up for your live classes. But the secondary campus is not being left out. Monday is Crazy Hat or Tie-Dye Day. You can wear them both if you want. Tuesday is Twin Day. Wednesday is Scavenger Hunt Day. Thursday is University Sports Jersey Day. Yearbooks have been delayed, unfortunately, due to the pandemic, and they will be arriving in August. You can still purchase one by mailing a check to the school for $40 and putting your student's name in the memo line. The elementary online book fair is now until May 17th. Please click on the link on Facebook or on your email to check out our book fair. There's free shipping over $25. This week was Teacher Appreciation Week. Our teachers received beautiful handmade cards, artwork, and even some videos. In addition, teachers and staff were treated to a delicious lunch from Boynton Beach, Texas Roadhouse on Friday. Teachers were able to choose a lunch and pick up their food curbside. Thank you, Texas Roadhouse, for your incredible generosity by donating these yummy meals.
Dad, thank you for everything you do, and I love you. Mwah. Hi, Miss Cruz. Thank you for making me learning, and I want happy
Teacher. Appreciation.
Appreciation.
You deserve it. Say you deserve it.
You deserve it.
Say we love you.
We love you.
The secondary sharks of the week are Aneris Quesada, Javon Darnell, Candy Martinez Mendez, Damian Abdul, Johnny Osorio, Kylan Howell, Marco Alvarez Arujo, Jeremiah Gibson, and Rakila Parker. Sorry if I messed up some names. And here are the high school principal's honor roll students. Virtual graduation for 8th grade will be on May 28th, and high school virtual graduation is May 26th, both at 6 p.m. Remember to send me the 3 pictures of your student throughout their school career. Kindergarten virtual graduation will be Friday, May 22nd at 9:00 a.m., and more information will be coming soon. Seniors, caps and gowns have arrived, and they will be distributed on Monday, May 11th between 9 and 11 a.m., and Wednesday, May 13th between 8:30 and 10:30 a.m. Please see your email for more pickup instructions. Also, seniors should be aware that the district has canceled completion of community service hours as a requirement for graduation, and we will follow that procedure. However, and this is very important, most organizations giving out scholarships have not canceled the community service requirement. Students are continuing to do a great job with virtual learning. Please keep it up. On Monday, elementary students will participate in iReady math and reading diagnostic assessments. iReady diagnostics for math and ELA will be given 5:13 to 5:19 in the middle school for grades 6 to 8. We will email your student the link to this assessment. It is very important for your student to treat the assessment as much as possible as a real test. We will use the scores to determine whether your student is performing and his or her needs for the next school year. Last week was also Nurses Appreciation Day. We love our nurses, Nurse Bobby and Nurse Jackie. Thank you to both of you for making us feel better. And finally, here's a reminder from Nurse Bobby how to properly wash your hands.
Okay, we're going to learn how to properly wash our hands because there are all kinds of surfaces on our hands. You got the top of the hands, the palms of the hands, the fingers, in between the fingers, and the fingernails. So this is how you wash your hands. You turn on water. You wet your hands, pointing down, fingers down. You put a little soap in your hand. You wash the palms of your hands, the tops of your hands, in between the fingers. And to do the fingernails, you take your palm and you with the soap and you go in a circular motion. La-di-da to get the dirt out from under your fingers. Okay? Then when you rinse your hands, you want to rinse always facing down because you don't want the dirt going up to your elbows. So we rinse down, and when you turn off the water, which I'll do in a few minutes, you want to turn it off using a piece of paper because that is dirty. You are clean now. Now, how long do you wash your hands? We wash our hands to the tune of Happy Birthday sung twice. So I'm going to do this again. I wet my hands. I take my soap. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Bobby. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Bobby. Happy birthday to me. And that's long enough to wash your hands. Going down, and now I'm going to show you how to turn off the water. You take a piece of paper, clean paper. You push down with the paper. What do we do with our paper? We throw it in the garbage. Then we take another piece of paper and dry our hands thoroughly. All between everything, the fingers, the nails, the palms, and voila! We have clean hands, germ-free. And now, what do we do with our clean hands? We make sure we don't touch our face. Because if we have germs on our hands, if you forgot to wash your hands, you're going to get sick because the germs will go in your nose, your mouth, your eyes, your ears, and it gets inside the body, and voila, we get sick. So, remember, clean hands and personal space. You want to keep people 3 to 6 feet away from you because the germs, if I cough or sneeze, if they're 3 feet or 6 feet away from me, I'm not going to breathe in those germs. But if they're standing right in front of me and they cough and sneeze, guess where those germs go? In my nose, in my mouth, in my eyes, in my body. All right, thank you.
Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information now more than ever. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. And remember, an engaged parent
is a great parent.
Mwah.